Okay, so from the next page onward, I'm going to show you how receipts and payments account look like, how income and expenditure account looks like, and how the SOFP looks like. You go to page 197. Here is a receipts and payments account. What does it represent? It represents the cash book. Okay, must know what it represents, then you would know what to do with it. Okay, this represents the commonly mentioned cash book. But for this topic, we call this as receipts and payments account. So that's how it looks like. Receipts and payments account is a very simple T-shape. It's a very simple T-shape. You don't have the cash column. You don't have the bank column. And we regard the 50,000 here. We regard this 50,000 here as the combination of cash and bank. That's the reason you don't have cash column, you don't have bank column. We consider this 50,000 as the combination of cash and bank. Okay, you don't need to care whether how much is in the form of cash, how much is in the form of money in the bank. Okay, we don't need to care for the topic. We treat it as combined. We treat it as combined. So you can easily see there are three columns here. There are three columns here. The date, the detail, and the amount, right? Just like how normal T accounts look like. The same goes to the credit side, the date, the detail, and the amount. Okay, now let's learn to record a few transactions to get a feel of how we should do a receipts and payments account. Okay, for example, one day throughout the year, you have received some subscription. If you receive money, you debit this receipts and payments account. Here you write maybe 3,000. Okay, and then another day, you collected some completion fees. So you debit this account, right? 5,000, for example. Okay, the date ignore for now, okay? I want you to focus on the detail and the amount column. When you make payment, what should you do? You credit this account, just like what you do with the cash book. Except that there's no cash column, there's no bank column. So assume that you pay for repairs and maintenance. So you credit this account. Maybe 3,333. Okay. Another day, you bought a sports equipment. You bought extra sports equipment. Maybe 7,000. Another day, you pay for the wages to those people who manage the club. Okay. To those people who spend time managing the club, maybe 3,000. Okay. So money you have actually received, you go to the debit. Money you have paid, go to the credit. You credit this receipt and payments account. Now, to find out how much money you are left with, we do balancing process, just like how we usually do. Draw the lines for the total row first. Must be on the same level. Okay, the lines must be on the same level. Then, see which side is greater. Okay, that means you do balancing process. Debit side is greater, right? So, total of the debit side, 58,000. Copy this amount to the other side, 58,000. Now, do a deduction. 58,000 minus the three amounts on the credit side. You tell me what you would get. I have found an amount. I wait for you. Here, write balance CD. Carry it down diagonally to the left. Okay, I wait for you. All of you tell me an amount. Okay, all of you tell me an amount. Okay, I wait for Adeline and Ishin. Okay, good. All of you found the same amount, 44667. That's how you do a receipts and payments account. Okay, quite simple, quite simple. But you must know what all these amounts represent, okay? All these amounts, for example, These amounts are amount you have actually received, okay, during the year, the amount of money you have actually received. Those on the credit side are amount you have actually paid during the year. And then you are left with $44,667 amount of money at the end. Okay, you are left with $44,667 at the end. That's how you complete the receipts and payments account.